question the title, they wanna know what it means.
Dark words all on me, I'm just rockstar, my swag, I'm just honest. Everything is out of gun, just honest. Gold all of my neck, I'm just honest. Yeah, I'm just honest. Got the club on smash. Name another nigga hot, I'm just honest. Gold bars on bottles, I'm just honest. 100,000 on watches, I'm just honest. Coops all on coops, I'm just honest. I tell the truth. I keep a gang of bad bitches with me too, and we ain't never going back to what we used to do. I was gon' lie to you, but I had to tell the truth. I'm just being honest. My piss coming back dirty, I'm just being honest. Got bitches kissing on bitches, I'm just being honest. I'm a rock star for life, I'm just being honest. Got a check coming right now, I'm just being honest. We done turned up and platinum, then we're going hit honest. Ain't nothing but a dope boy, I'm just being honest. These niggas getting shot for being honest. I fucked her on the spot, I'm just being honest. I'ma stack it till it rot, I'm just being honest. And I'm driving fire coops, dash 200. Live a rich nigga life, I'm just being honest. Real street nigga ain't getting that but some pain from it. Name another nigga hot, I'm just honest. Gold bars on bottles, I'm just honest. 100,000 on watches, I'm just honest. Coops all on coops, I'm just honest. I tell the truth. I keep a gang of bad bitches with me too, and we ain't never going back to what we used to do. I was gon' lie to you, but I had to tell the truth. I'm just being honest. That crack all of my drawers, I'm just honest. My diamonds ain't got flaws, I'm just honest. These hoes on sight, nigga, I'm just honest. We can ball all night, nigga, I'm just honest. You fuck nigga, y'all don't need no scrub. You don't even know why, nigga, I here hustle. Got black screens and truck spot, I'm honest. Get real with all you niggas, I'm just too honest. Two spits at the strip club, I'm just honest. To them niggas all out the hood, I'm just honest. But miss code for life, I'm just honest. I came up shooting dice, I'm just honest. Name another nigga hot, I'm just honest. Gold bars on bottles, I'm just honest. 100,000 on watches, I'm just honest. Coops all on coops, I'm just honest. I tell the truth. I keep a gang of bad bitches with me too, and we ain't never going back to what we used to do. I was gon' lie to you, but I had to tell the truth. I'm just being honest. I'm just being honest. I'm just being honest. I'm just being honest. Name another nigga hot, I'm just honest. Gold bars on bottles, I'm just honest. 100,000 on whites, I'm just honest. Coops all on coops, I'm just honest. I tell the truth. I keep a gang of bad bitches with me too, and we ain't ever going back to what we used to do. I
one more time. I'ma hit the block. I'ma hit the block. I'ma hit the block. I'ma hit the block. Everybody get what? Everybody get what? Everybody get what? Everybody get what? I'ma hit the block. I'ma hit the block. I'ma hit the block. I'ma hit the block. Everybody get what? Everybody get what? Everybody get what? Everybody get
That's a really dope car.
Mary, you make me wanna eat you. Every time I see you, it's like the first time I meet you. Fragrance like a flower, subtle and sweet too. Seductive and whatever, it might as well be see-through. Like my genie in a bottle. Bitch can get me rich, look like a magazine model. Before you know it, he have her on a stroll. Fresh and ripe, complexion like Acapulco gold. If I had to guess just right, not a J.O. Like a cradle robber, copter off shop, a trailer load. Know the right number, you could get her. And hit it while you with her, sold to the highest bidder like fruits and berries. Bring daddy loot in a hurry. Just be cute and don't worry. Type to make a nigga hallucinate and admit it. Then she started losing weight, letting everybody hit it. Unlike Allie, sometimes she get bitter. Always kept me happy, never had a problem with her. She used to let me use her back when I was looser. Respect her to this day and never did abuse her. I told her I'll be faithful, but she don't believe me. I probably could have been if I never met Evie. She make me feel all fuzzy inside, it's loco. You won't get nowhere's nearer if you're broke though. Kept a shorty mad, finding much thinner. If caught, I get mad time just for touching her. Knock wood, so much for Hymens. So fly, she should be in the sky with diamonds. Little young thing, she like to do the tongue thing. At times, she would play hard to get, fronting or something. She made me feel like the #1 king. Run into her now, and we still catch a fun fling. Met her out in Central Park, that's one sign. Had the guard mentally spark, reflecting sunshine. She said you need to stop messing with that white girl. She fucking with your head and got your heart in a tight curl. We messed around once or twice, but she don't know me. She helped me get money at the Dunce Price OT. Plus she from Colombia, so she really Spanish. Cookie known to make a cat bank account vanish. And Miss Hazy, older woman, mature black. Every time she sees me, I end up getting told back. All she want me to do is blaze it crazy. The only one complaint is that she make me too lazy. Sugar mommy laced me with the butter navy AV. Just her way to make up for the headaches that she gave me. It's all gravy when I'm done getting my Mac on. Allie is always there to help me get back on.
Girl, but it's so dark and I was under club lights. Call me on my iPhone, I don't pick it up much. I've been losing friends, I don't feel right. 4 gold chains, gave 2 to my brothers. Fame bring pain, but the pain make money. Keep it 100, baby girl, what's your number? Girls learn the pain and the drugs get me number. 4 gold chains, gave 2 to my brothers. Fame bring pain, but the pain make money. Keep it 100, baby girl, what's your number? Girls learn the pain and the drugs get me number. 4 gold chains, gave 2 to my brothers. 4 gold chains, gave 2 to my brothers. I need 4 whips so I can give her to my brothers. I need 4 cribs so I can give her to my mother. That's all my brother. 4 gold chains, gave two to my brothers.
One divine sh- me and my conglomerates shall remain anonymous, caught up in the finest Get that type of media coverage Obama get. Spit that Kurt Vonnegut. That blow your brain, Kurt Cobain, that Nirvana sh- Who gon' bring the game back? Who gon' spit that rainbow on the train tracks? That blue rope, that five-finger rain rap. Running with my same pack. You can find the place where the lepers and the lames at. Life is like a dice game. One roll can land you in jail or cutting cake, blowing kisses in the rice rain. Nice whip, nice chain, the closet of skulls. The stench is like slave blood at Providence Hall. Yeah, they built my city on top of a grave. Nigga die, nigga get high and watch the parade. Back in the early 90s, where they at, where they at? Get the gat was a popular phrase. Valley animals and ruggies was a popular craze. This the vivid memoirs of an obnoxious slave. I paved ways like that in Harriet. I blast on Judas Iscariot, peel off in the chariot. I'm sitting pretty, spitting flames, gripping brains. Ain't a damn thing changed.
How did he do it?
My young lad, do you ask a dolphin how it swims?
No.
Or an eagle how it flies?
No.
That's right, you don't. Because that's what they were made to do. You are about to bear witness, my friend. It's one of the greatest technological advances in modern history. Behold, a confectionery
Candyman, Candyman, spit me a dream. Blow a chunk of the levy out and spit me a stream. Knock a man house down and build a casino. A $2,000 government check from Fiend. I swam down Shit's Creek and came up clean. With a new lease on life like Andy Dufresne. It's the most poetical, Nat King unforgettable. Clarence 13 XLR's Rhapsody from Bellevue. I'm splitting the atom, spitting flames, bringing change. Things will never be the same. I got the rap game singing that last like Etta James. Lanes get their plane shot down like John McCain. It's a dream, the flow's elegant like Miss Coretta Scott King. A lot of kings sing deaf and turn queen. Crack their 24-inch rims in the ravine. Respect the architect, never test the Elohim. Good night, this is JLX live from New Orleans.
My journey has brought me to an understanding of the divine forces with which we have all been bestowed. It was in this search that I came upon a revelation, which has called me to guide millions of people.
Portraits, images of African royalty. Surf through the channels with no distortion. I'm 100 proof. I put that on my southern roots. Hustling for loot is just something I do. OG, your lady told me that my 49311 was OMG. I'm not a wrestler, shit is real. I seen niggas go from rolling cess blunts to rolling Teslas. I always been known for my rapping tactics. Since the days of coming home from soccer practice. The legend. I go back to suede pumas and fat laces. Hood niggas mo peddling. God don't let us lose. Gucci leather shoe, these words is revenue. The black tomahawk, my intuition's for when the drama starts. Laid up in the cup with your mama probably. Yeah, fresh wine from the vineyard. Baby, I'm the answer, the chancellor. Check it out. No time to waste, homie, gotta be about your chips. Real niggas on the field, they can vouch for this. Fly shit. No time to waste, mama, gotta be about your chips. Real bitches on the field, they can vouch for this. Elegant gangster, tailor-made measurements, the whole nine. Glock 9, security is safer. Plotting on the caper, O's and decimals. Y'all brothers is frozen vegetables, we bout paper. We grind hard cause the times is hard. Fuck with the family, get your body washed. A problem that's personal. A hater was born a hater. A beef that's eternal, nobody can squash. The hood Yoda, I'm running off a good motor. I'm not a floater, I'm just trying to reach my quota. Tell the promoter, I need my dough before I show up. And tell the hoe that she can hoe up till she blow up. You know what time to waste on me, gotta be about your chips. Real niggas on the field, they can vouch for this. No time to waste, mama, gotta be about your chips. Real bitches on the field, they can vouch for this. Vouch for this, vouch for this. Found that every treasure. It ain't nothing like gold chicken. Say,
Fudo Bugatti Coupe, I call it Katy Perry. Wiz Khalifa papers, smoking my favorite berries. S65, I call it Rihanna. It got a red top, but it's white like Madonna. Made man. You hear what I said? Having a slumber party, all my bitches count bread. Made man, also known as Papi Chulo. And I'm running straight up in the cooler. My wrist always on frio. Call me Chili Chill. Superhead from Superhead, and I really will. Californication, motivation in my pocket. Got on my blue dicky. Shout out my nigga Rocky. Fudo Bugatti Coupe, I call it Katy Perry. Wiz Khalifa papers, smoking my favorite berries. S65, I call it Rihanna. It got a red top, but it's white like Madonna. Made man, you hear what I said? Having a slumber party, all my bitches count bread. Made man, also known as Papi Chulo. And I'm running straight up in the cooler. My wrist always on frio. Call me Chili Chill. Superhead from Superhead, and I really will. Californication, motivation in my pocket. Got on my blue dicky. Shout out my nigga Rocky. Still smoking sicky. It ain't no other option. Not for made niggas, and I'm never stopping. I raised the bar. I set the standards. My yayo Usher Raymond. That bitch just keep on dancing. Dollar bills on top of dollar bills. That's all I'm throwing if she want lil' mama wheel. Made niggas talking a lot of skrill. 8 digits, a nigga trying to live. Made man, you hear what I said? I got 100 squares. If you're scared, call the feds. Made man, I'm screaming dollar bills. Pop the trunk on the Porsche. Go dollar bill.
When it boils down, I'm just a T.O. nigga. But bitches tell me that I look just like a Creole nigga. New Orleans know it's love every time I'm in town. Shout out my nigga Tens, that's my brother, my round. Spending tomorrow's money, I call it mañana. Off the rack, this ain't my style, I call it designer. One of my baddest women ever, I call her Rihanna. But
my shit and tried to do 'em. at night I creep. Catch you bitches slipping, never worship for some masterpiece. Dancing with my niggas, screaming for the nigga. Get down, cold-hearted killer on this nigga with a fucking
Yeah.
Chillin' with the undead, the boom bap and zombie, Perk, hexagons, yo, atrocious tactics to host the masses. Behold the madness, we roast the half-wits. As cold as cast a host of ratchets with open caskets. For these hopeless bastards posed as rappers. Explosive trash can make my pulse as fast as ocean rapids. Traverse the unknown, expose the atlas. My verses uphold subversive drum rolls to mold the pathway. To bold to catch it, till your worthless clones get shown what wrath is. And all below the average actors should get blown to ashes. Watch me settle scores as I relinquish the snobs with English. My linguistics could extinguish a stellar core. A top position cannot incision these metaphors. That's why my efforts for impressive bars is epic raw. The lion that not even noble could lift up. Got an orbit like Jehovah from scripture. Paranoia gon' rip your rats high before this flow will come get your raps tighter than the boa constrictor. Nigga, you know what the deal is. You want that awesome force to show the knock you spitters off your course. Off your course. What? Strong winds bring the tide in. Soak you with the blend we've been providing. And flood the mental state where kids residing. Yo, I'm the poster child for the folks that wow. We evoke the crowd, so get a closer now before I ghost the style. The string theory, smear sentences sincerely. To kids hear me, you give me millions of spins yearly. You been weary, I bring merely that bomb shit. You sing nearly in every song, clearly there's conflict. Really it's garbage, so that soft tippy, I solves it. It's nonsense, I'm lost, but y'all see me as conscious when I'm just a regular man. On the secular plan for grams, trying to stay ahead of the lambs. Yo, I'll be writing these incredible jams until my skeletal sands. And niggas read my shit with retinal scans. This one goes out to unforgettable fans who study my lyrics with grit until they sever all their cerebral strands. I spin the globe to any sensible land and rip a show. I'm finna blow just like a chemical plant. You niggas know word. Yeah, you want that awesome force to show the knock you spitters off your course. Off your course. Yeah, son, word up. Strong winds bring the tide in. Soak you with the blend we've been providing. And flood the mental state the kids reside in. Yeah, break it down. That's how we do, yo. Know what the fuck we do, yo. Yo, my nigga DJ the boss, her word on the cut, killing shit. Yo, BBG, good man.
When I say I keep the poker, I ain't talking about no beans. Project baby, you know I got baby bottles full of lean. I've been through so much of shit, this shit'll make a nigga sing. I remember rocking bugle boys, now I rock designer jeans. God dang, you just like my chain, you just like the swing. In 1K, I got 22K and all my niggas playing. Hit the club on them jiggles, you know all my niggas geek. You would think I'm about to spank your bitch, I made her hit her knees. Met this plug, I was talking about, he put that thing on me. I finessed him, ain't got time to let you run no game on me. Like I'm working out, life done dropped a lot of weight on me. I've been busy, I've been working hard, so don't you hate on me. You my dog, then just be my dog, and don't you change on me. Don't you switch, don't you change on me. I'm switching lanes on me. I was in that jet, now I'm pulling up in the range on me. I ain't in no game, but if you run up, I'm gon' bang on me.
Is you rolling? Wish I might be. Wish I might be. Wish I might be. Wish I might be.
Girl, he geeked up. Girl, he geeked up. Girl, he geeked up. Girl, he geeked up.
Wish I might be. Wish I might be. Wish I might be. Wish I might be. Yeah. I'm strong and that's where I come from. Pass that bubble thresh and put this bean on your tongue. Now everything was gravy till your bitch came in. By the same time that the thing kicked in. Now she ain't really pretty, but she got a nice body. I'm geeked up, you get this butt in the body. Ain't your name Latrina, cause you look like Janet Jackson. I'm on 3 double stacks and I'm looking for that action. Pushing man, you stupid,
But every time I turn around, cats got their heads out, wanting something from